In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log into Telegram on desktop. So before this, you need to log into your Telegram account on your mobile because before you want to sign into Telegram on desktop, you need to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number, it's going to send a verification code to your Telegram app. So log into your Telegram account on your phone by downloading Telegram app, and after doing that, what you can do is download Telegram on desktop. So for that, you can go to your Google browser and type Telegram download. And after typing Telegram download, you can go to this first thing where it says desktop.telegram.org and then click on get Telegram for Windows 60 x64 and download it. After downloading it and installing it, you can just enter Telegram by clicking on it. After you enter Telegram, click on start messaging, and over here click on open using phone number and enter your phone number over here. And after entering your phone number, click on next. So let me enter my phone number. Now I'm gonna wait for the code. As you guys can see, the code is sent via Telegram to your other device if you have connected. So I have opened Telegram account on my phone and I have received the code. So I'm gonna type the code over here. And the code is 84882, and boom, I have logged into my Telegram account. So it's that simple to log into Telegram account on your desktop.